Waterhouse's quest for a place at the 2020 CONCACAF Champions League continues on Thursday when they host Herediano of Costa Rica at the National Stadium at 7 p.m.
To reach the 2020 CONCACAF Champions League, Waterhouse must at least reach the semi-finals. They'll begin on Thursday at the round of 16 in a home and away tie to Herediano. According to coach Marcel Gale, it's an unusual time to be playing a match like this, as this time of the year they will still be in pre-season training.
We know that we're not fully at our 100 right now, because our pre-season normally start July, August. I mean, a month or close there to the Premier League. But I know in this international game, we start a little bit early, and hopefully what we put in is enough. We know that we have the quality, but the readiness and sharpness, we probably are not that fully sharp, but we're definitely ready to play.
And Gale and company will not be going into this game without doing their background checks. They've done their homework on the Costa Ricans.
We know that they are technically sound. They're a well-organized team. I think they are well coached. We do a little background work on them ourselves. We put some things in place, and hopefully, I say, on the match they come, we can go there and execute.
And what would a match of this caliber be without the support of the fans? According to skipper Keithy Simpson, the players are upbeat, but the 12th man is needed to drive them across the line.
When the fans are out, it gives you a different mood, the whole team reacts to the crowd, our fans, they're hard to please, but the best fans in the country. They never disappoint us when it comes on to showing. So definitely, we're looking forward for them to be there, to support us to the fullest on this quest.
And the Houston-based club knows exactly what a positive result could do after the first 90 minutes.
We'd like to leave Jamaica with a lead going into Costa Rica so that we can have the upper hand over the Costa Rica team.